Hey everybody, so I used my Festool today to make some alignment pins for the leaves, and some of these had to be loose because there was a little play. Some of this is cupped slightly. So what I did was, once they were installed and fit well, I marked the center point and just lined it up with my cut, or with my previous mark. So those are going to glue in. So these two leaves, the table shuts well without them. So I'm going to let those 9 tenons dry for a couple of hours. Then I'll be coming back installing some alignment hardware underneath plus the locks. So we should see this come together this next week, early next week, because the client came by and agreed on stain and finish. So I've got a direction to go. Show me a picture of what you guys are working on.